Is your YouTube TV screen suddenly gone dark, leaving you in the digital shadows? Don't worry, we're about to bring the picture back to life with these quick and easy troubleshooting steps. First, let's check if the problem is account related. Navigate to your profile icon, usually located at the top right or left corner of your screen. Select your account and then switch to a different profile if available. Sometimes a corrupted profile can cause playback issues. Next, let's rule out internet issues. Run a quick speed test on your device and ensure you have a stable and strong connection. YouTube TV recommends at least 13 Mbps for HD streaming. Try restarting your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. This will refresh your internet connection. Now clear the cache and data of the YouTube TV app on most devices. You can find this in the settings menu under applications or apps. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that might be causing conflicts, and the data clears stored login information and preferences. Ensure your YouTube TV app is up to date. Head over to your device's app store and check for any available updates. Outdated versions can have bugs that cause black screen issues. If you're still seeing black, try a simple restart of your streaming device or smart TV. Power it off completely, wait 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. This often resolves temporary glitches. Finally, if none of these steps work, visit the YouTube TV Help Center on YouTube's website. It's packed with troubleshooting guides. You can also reach out to YouTube TV support for personalized assistance. Hopefully, these steps have restored your YouTube TV viewing experience.